Kalong shisha ka jing sngo sarong bat ka buram ya ka jela bat ya ka rihi baro ka wei. Hadien baka wei na ki kunhun ruai choir na po ka jela ka Casey Lights Choir kabadai ka kunhun ka balami na ka shlem ai jing nang jing start ka Casey Secondary School Shillong kalawanra ya ka namjom da ka bakur hadu artli ki takmak siar ha ka lumpung ya kop ruai ka balalong ha ka ri Thailand ka balatip kum ka third Thailand International Choral Competition kabala sedang nado kalai tering kabala punkod haga nyaw terik unailar hajar punriu haga tega kunhon choir kidon hadu kumba sangut ki kena rin katega kunhon roy choir kalawan poino shala jela haga shipo terik unailar hajar punriu kabala pediang burom bat punkop burom daki kunhon seng bhalang ki bakenthum ya ka hinyo trem Integrated Territorial Organization, ka United New Trip Movement, bat ka Cafe Racer of Shillong Motorcycle Club, kinong hikay, bat kihe nong penya ka School Casey Secondary School Shillong.
Shublay right ban bla da la kiar yat hinadu minam step bishong like hadu ko ki plan ko ko tiang pe bat koi da hungya masuk ke besar angu nya you blade right kan klem do tu klem ko man jung ni mla kan dam itu te ngina kadang ko seng but on behalf yang ka bring your trip ni yo men se ni so sarong akariam tenrai bat ka culture ka riti ka bestor min ba ka Casey Light ka ba sai wanra buram nakapor skopor menta sal wanra yang ka buram hagani hatu kopor ngabun kini ki para ngai thok ba kebal along kum ki khon do namari khon jongar bisa di sekolang kila ye he tuan ra e ko buram jongka jella jongka bri nyok trat bat jongka nation ne jongka India hi barok ko we tingina kan keleng ko jongi ni pa ban ai buram ibaret pan pendeng sas kum kata ka buram ka bangila pan no senyang lem kum ba hilawan ra ka buram ye ka jella dengan sedang syara ka ba ai ni sentiu ya i sar brain patka momento
Louder guys.
louder Casey Light hip hip hooray hip hip hooray hip hip hooray this is from our cultural secretary
One small guy come hold this.
Yeah, one of you.
Face that side.
Comments from other
Sorry for actually just from our organization we just got a conversation in this aspect. We couldn't prepare anything, but no issues. Like you'll be invited to our organization by this weekend of this month.
Okay.
Ningkong nang shop di apa ban ai you play track and drive. Pala ye dan dekat ban ni naduk ni dang stang yang kena practice pa haduk kena papor pementang. Ka experience jong arti nga sngo bangi compare banyak ki weki ri but nga sngo komen hiru kata ba ngin yai penki shushu ekani katan rai jengi shaning kham shalor ting ningkong te ba ni dang snang poi hoi idan ni ka jing atatian tang ba but ka jingarap jeng isa jingi but ya ka jing yo bohi jing ya kirshan ni lahi but ni dan hi ka ho group bangin lahi ka feedback bang yo dari bang long bang deka long discipline but long unique ha ka e ka bangile lightly ka way ha ka opening ceremony but artly ha ka competition ha ka opening ceremony ni roi ka jing roi oi but ha ka competition ni roi da ya ka jing roi sia la palang but e ka jing one high.
The third Thailand International Choral Festival, organized by the Thailand Choral Association, which was held from the 3rd to the 7th, which included 9 categories, and we took part in 2 categories where we got 2 gold medals for both the categories, and we also got a special award for being the most inspirational choir. The opening ceremony in Khasi.
How many countries?
7.
7. From India?
No, only us from India. We were the first choir from India to ever represent our country at this competition. 2 gold and 1 special jury award. Yeah. Oh, we would love to travel to other places too, but because of the financial situation, so it's not easy. Because to go to something like this, we require a lot of funds. And we hope that we will be able to get it through the things that we do. Because we really want our music to go out of the Northeast. And to hear after the opening ceremony, all the Indonesian choirs, all of them were singing the song Oi Oi when they were going back. At least now other countries are learning Khasi songs. So I'm really proud about that. And they all found the choir, like they said, the most disciplined choir, very hospitable. So the children did a very good job promoting our state. And I'm so proud of that actually. Oh, this is our 10th gold medal now. Yeah, 5th country. Yeah.
So you didn't get any sponsor from government?
Not yet. Not yet.
So
This time, not yet. I hope when they see the results then. Hopefully. Yeah, because we're representing the country, I think it's an honor for us. And I think it's an honor for everyone because I'm saying now Khasi music is being shown to the world, and now they've realized what Waino music, because we are so different from the other countries. And that's what the judges said. Our music is really pure, very gentle, and that's what they really loved about it. Whereas the other countries are very loud, and we had only 25, the other countries had 40, 50 choir members.